Welcome back to As It Dey Hot on top of the senior brother for the television station when they say the world, Wazobia 1 UHF channel 57. What we dey discuss today na very important issue. If you look the studio, you will see the faces of young Nigerians, and we dey discuss one particular problem when they affect young people and plenty people inside Obodo Nigeria, the issue of unemployment. E can't get adjunct, that is addition, when get to do with something when we say government arrange down to use give people work. Can't select people when we say they talk say they qualified enough, but it can't be like say somehow another issue enter inside the arrangement. When we break the discussion down, we go try our phone lines open, and we will go also give opportunity to people when we say they're very, very aware of this matter, so that they go chook mouth, talk their own part of the story, so that we will get balanced. And we use this opportunity to call out to those when we say this matter concern. If you get your own story to talk as it take affect this particular exercise, make we discuss them, so that we when we dey inside Obodo Nigeria go see say okay, government and the people when they involved, everything they open, no be say the thing they close, make it no be like say now one part of the story then we dey hear. Ezugu Chukwudi, Nkubi, Oga Aziz and Oga Precious dey inside studio, and we dey discuss the issue of unemployment. You been dey talk about one important issue. Before we cut you, come quickly go on top of that break. Or go allow you complete that discussion, make we go. We don't emphasize, say, okay, the whole process, they credible, and then select people when we say they talk, say, okay, when it come to immigration matter, say immigration work, then do what they're supposed to, then they qualify, then get this job. Make we come proceed. How will they get the appointment letters, and how the whole training take start?
Okay, when after the whole distance from 5th to 7th, Naim then send us email around May 13, tell us the people wey dey successful, tell them say okay, una don God don answer una prayer, God don butter una bread, say we don give una provisional appointment. So because they recruit in now for 3 cadre, Naim they recruit. The one immigration assistant cadre, immigration special cadre, and superintendent cadre. So the immigration assistants, that is IA3, then go their training school for Awada, for Rivers State. The inspectors, they go, that is assistant inspectors, they go their training school for Olu, for Imo State. While the assistant superintendent too, then go their own training school for Kano, ITSK. You get. So for there, now they can't do the process. Then for the immigration assistants and inspectors, then give them their appointment letter, give them service number. But for the immigration assistant superintendents, them, waiting they give them now their service number and posting letter. They don't give appointment letter there. They talk say for the posting letter, the right time say then go collect their posting letter when they reach their command. The reason why they do it like that, we don't know. You understand? Okay. So after that one, we say make we report for our various commands for training immediately. Now all of us leave waiting we they do. Me that time, before that time, I been dey work. I dey work comfortably for e-commerce company. I been get better job that time. You get, as I just get that thing, I just resign, beg them, tell them, see me they no vex, say opportunity don't come to serve my country.
Serve your country.
You
Okay.
get, so now we come on.
Okay, so Oga Abaka, make I quickly ask you this one. From the whole story where Precious on drop, he don't give us more like a breakdown to how the whole process take waka till the appointment issue. Okay, right about now where we say, it just like say from the story, just like say the whole exercise right now, they don't cancel everything. I be no be so. I've not said they don't cancel the whole thing.
Now so we dey say.
Now so I say, okay, and they're not even given any reason whatsoever. Reasons why there's okay, this process under this new administration. So why would they cancel this process? Because of say maybe because of say the last administration no follow due process. I mean because of say they say you make you one kind monkey hand, straight put hand, come ensure say this process not to work out well. They're not given any concrete reason why the continuation of this whole employment thing, then at least they're not giving any concrete reason why it no continue.
Thank you, my brother, for this question when you asked me. The way and manner then take disperse us for our various command, they even. For some states, they will tell them, make them go for 2 weeks breaks, say they will communicate to them back when they will come back. For my own state, in front of my controller, she tell us categorically, say, we they go, say they will mail us when they're ready. For Lagos command, they'll tell them different thing. This now process will be like say now one recruitment bring all of us come inside. But why they tell us make we go
So they will
house.
get back.
We will get back. No be with even information spread across. So the thing can't be somehow as e go like that.
Okay.
Even for, sorry, my brother, the way the thing can go, it come, since that day, we see one leak of the dispersal letter where them send to various command online. And the way we come about them now, like say, from one of those officers then from service headquarters. So as you see, the waiting day there now, disperse forthwith, pending when they will bring another directive on this. So since then, our government no demand fit to address this issue.
Particular issue.
We, now human being, the mental torture, no be something where you fit there.
I understand them in a mood right now. And I also understand the facts at least when I don't pass through different stages, at least educational stages, and to also ensure at least the book when I read, now not just read them for nothing. And okay, right about now, we could still go further. What can be the bone of contention? What can be the issue right now under this new custom organ with in place now? Immigration rather. The other this new immigration organ with in place. Should I say something new? Don't they come up? Which means you don't wipe off the old process they take. So it's something new now. You can't reintroduce. We no even get. We be saying and they benefit from at the moment. I've been waiting they happen because there must be something wrong somewhere.
Thank you, Ogakuri. The last time when I hear about this for one of the media houses now say them they advertise about new recruitment.
New
for
recruitment.
2016 say that they await federal government approval for
then
this.
Then they advertise for new recruitment.
Then
So which means indirectly what they try to tell now be say the old one when I do that one no hold water again.
You understand?
So then they advertise new recruitment
so
right
now,
about
since
now.
then when we hear about that one, now we dey restless. Before waiting with the year, we don't make various trips to service headquarters and to national assemblies. But waiting we hear the first time we go service headquarters and I say the new administration, they just need to settle down, say 1 or 2 shake-ups, it will delay us, but we are part of the service already.
Okay.
But when we see this notification on air, so we no fit just sit down for us, they say we don't get job. You know how many of us don't climb podium for churches and mosques,
Give
say we
testimony.
we don't get job. We don't dance. For my command there, where I be the provost for the recruit them, somebody mother sell family land. Because then tell us say we suppose they resume 5 a.m. The first month for the induction and fasting period, how terrible that one would be for our body. Virtually like 60%.
Not only that one, no. Many people, you know, say many people know they stay for their state of origin.
Yes.
So many people pack their kaya from where they come from, go their state. Many people got rent house. Many people borrow money. I know one person for my command. The guy borrow 97,000. When he take do
relocate,
for, I tell you, and this whole thing what we do out of love for our country because no money that time. We no see salary throughout the whole 3.5 months of our training where we do. And this training every morning you go see 6 o'clock, 5:30 for place where you know even too sabi. You don't already come out, make you reach command. You go dey there till 4. You go do so many things with hunger and everything. They do and people break leg. People where they even travel that time get accidents. Some people said they even rape them. For some of the girls, they even rape them when they go work because of how early the thing they. And after all those suffer, after all those everything, August 20th, now we see one leaked memo. We come in from service headquarters to the various command. Now they just say the exact word. Now in Oga as he talk that time, he say disperse them forthwith. Pending further directive, now the Igbo way they use. So they don't even tell us anything. We don't even hear. And as in rightly talk, they tell us different story. For my command, they just call us, tell us, hey, we don't hear. Because they tell us a day later than others. So we don't pass through too many sufferings. So many people leave their jobs. Many people leave their scholarship. I know about 2 people who get scholarship to do their masters because they make first class for our distance and then they forfeit them. So many of them will be IA3 in Kada. We don't they are distant forfeit the admission. Some of them they 300 level. I know one person they 300 level.
For university.
I tell you.
If forfeit to university we supposed finish.
So that he go fit do this thing because if he say he go still get time, go back school because after 2 years for service normally you feel apply for further studies. You understand? So he even forfeit in the education out of the love of, of waiting they want to do.
Oga Precious, all these things when I don't talk, you go notice say the mood don't come dey solemn because anybody when go through this particular experience, when we say at the end of the day, it can't be like say the kind way when we say they treat the person, no be way when we say you go feel say okay because of the passion when I get for my country, because of all the things when I live, when I come say I won't serve my country, and at the end they can't treat me like this, the thing dey somehow. But in truth, make we go look this matter where we go place ourselves for the position of say okay we won't ask questions, make we truly know. Now if we look the immigration service, we get a channel through which we be say information they flow, they come out from. Una don't ask from any of these channels to use no say okay una been tell us say make we go house, say make we wait, say after some time una go, because person when we say don't do exam, don't pass, even dey training, he don't reach one particular level. Una don't ask questions through which channels una don't ask the questions, which information they don't carry, give una say okay make una hold this information like this since the first time when the first news come out.
Okay, this particular question, when this thing don't stay reach 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we can't know say water don dey pass garri. Now we send some people from different command because all of us we dey united. We get method wey we dey take dey chat, they know wetin dey happen to each other, they keep in touch because we don become one family. Now we can send people about this first time we send about 8 people from different command. We send them go Abuja there. Now they receive them, ask them how they take unite, how they take come together.
Did it even shock them?
It didn't shock them. They don't believe. They don't believe. They think that they disperse us, say we don't scatter. They don't know say we be like detergent as you put us inside water. Now we dey bubble more. Now so we can't go there. We can't reach there now. Now they can't tell us say make we chill. Person tell us say during in time saying stay one assistant controller rather. He tell us say during in time he stay like 3 months for us. Say they go call us back. No official response. This one a person wey they send because if you go that service headquarter from the gate self the kind security wey dey there no be being so now the guy can't tell us that one. Then he still send another group again. Yet we never hear any specific response. Even we still dey even try through social media, through everything. We never get any response. And now waiting they pay us pass. We never get any single. You can't be like say then they shun us. Because they keep quiet on this thing.
And this matter they very very it be like say the thing is strong well because we dey talk about different. You been talk about the different cadres. Now we can't talk about thousands of young Nigerians when go feel like say okay if this thing can't happen like this, it go be like say they should change us. And if government they talk say okay one of the major problems when they get when would they get certain vices for our society now because of unemployment, and you get people when go through a particular process to give them work, make them serve the country, it can't be like say at the end of the day the thing no follow the way the thing supposed follow.
People forfeit wetin they even get before.
Come continue. Say this one they won't serve their country.
Fresh. You know, so that kind of thing.
You don't see now.
So I understand, but then make we also look the controller of immigration when I talk. Now talking not so far, nothing has been said about this particular issue.
Nothing. Another thing be say every press statement wey they make, they know they even talk say they do recruitment for 2015. They know they acknowledge them. Now that one they shock me because this thing there for newspaper, something where 1,170,000 people apply for. Don't be small thing.
Exactly.
You get, and they know they talk about them.
So it just be like say this 2015 old for the record. He be like say the thing. So for their eye, he be like say the thing.
Because they know they talk about them. They don't stay quiet about them.
That one don't follow the old government.
No way. Because government exists in continuum. So you know they change.
Now understand.
Baba na be president of we all. No matter the party where you dey. Me, I know dey any party. No concern me. I dey, I dey my own. Exactly. My own make Nigeria dey move forward. So Baba na him be our president. Whether we come for last regime or this regime or anywhere, now we president.
Okay, but before we go continue on this issue, make we quickly collect Solomon. Solomon is call us from Chicago. Good morning, Solomon.
Hey, bro, now.
We dey fine.
But I beg again, I go rush quick. May I put in this point, okay? I'm gonna be patient with me. And if my take note, I'm gonna take note. I want to talk on the unemployment issue.
Okay.
Now, Under this unemployment issue, people they talk about enabling environment, right? Which is number one. Under that enabling environment, right? We get policies from government when they hinder foreign investors. Okay? So companies will want come Nigeria, come invest, but politicians will want me to collect bribe or certain percentage when they get from them. That will discourage certain companies from coming over. Then number two, infrastructure. Under infrastructure, we need good roads. Because just imagine a big company come right now, come manufacture goods, right? They need access to good transportation or people transport those goods one way to the one from one point to another. Of course, electricity and internet are major one. And another thing again I dey hear for Nigeria when they pay me well, people dey for that Nigeria, when they won't give them work, they will tell the person say, your first 3 months salary, you will collect them.
Corruption.
People they take people they ask me for money from here now. They want like 200,000 naira. Say they won't pay somebody like one senator or politician. Maybe they give them government work. You understand? They won't make those thing I won't talk again. You know, say Apple laptop. Now China they make them. Nike. Now China they make them.
Outsourcing.
Waiting happen for America. All those American companies. They enter from US. Because of taxes and insurance, when most of these companies pay, they decide to go China. So for China, they will see they pay like $3 an hour. Just imagine, if Nigeria get good policies, big company will come Nigeria, like American company, they pay in Nigeria maybe $3 an hour. That is about 600 naira per hour. So if you work for 8 hours, multiply it by 8, cut time by number of hours.
Oga Solomon.
Yes.
Oga Solomon, I know you don't actually make your points, and I want to say.
And above all, I beg, one more point, I beg.
Okay.
1 point, kidnapping of foreign workers. If you go worry, I come from worry. If you go worry, share. All those big companies, all of them don't collapse. They don't live worry. Worry is dead. Why? Because the people, when they're there, begin to kidnap their employees, foreign workers. It's going to make many companies decided not to come to invest in Nigeria.
Okay, Solomon, thank you very much. We don't get this your point when we say you don't bring, and you don't talk, say, under enabling environment, say we suppose get infrastructure, something when we say is supposed to be very much in place. Thank you for your contribution all the way from Chicago for USA. We get Oga Abdul. Oga Abdul, they call us all the way from Bagada. Oga Abdul, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Abdul.
Well done. And I no fight today.
No, we know the quarrel. The issue we discuss today,
very, very sensitive.
a very important issue.
About this recruitment, before the federal government, we even tell them to recruit. They don't already do the recruitment before they even advertise them. Because if you know get somebody there, one senator, one emir, or one Oba from somewhere, give you letter to that recruitment, nothing for you. This thing don't they go on for a very long time. So now waiting they happen with that. So you when they go online and say they fill the form, you just they waste your money. Oga Abdul, already pick the people when they want.
Oga Abdul, this is your contribution when you don't make now, a very, very strong one. But we there inside studio with two people when we say they talk to them participate for the process. Although a lot of Nigerians agree, say somehow, Monkey and they always they inside the selection. But we get two people when we beat their chest talk, say on behalf of thousands of Nigerians, say the team they open, they go through series of tests and they qualify. We go continue our discussion, but quickly we need to rush, enter inside small break. When we go the break, come back, we go begin to look the level of say, okay, what do we want make government do for this matter so that the thing no go spoil, pata, no go anywhere, and still as it dey hot. Welcome back to As It Dey Hot. From here where we dey now, we dey see the final bus stop. But we never get to the end of this matter when we dey discuss because we go still sample the talk when come from the other people when we say na then they very, very much involved for this matter today. We get one half of the people when we say this matter concern, and we as Nigerians, they sit down, they look the matter as it take they affect all of us inside Obodo Nigeria. Oga Aziz Abubakar, Oga Precious Irakazi, Ezugu Chukudi Anunku be there inside studio, and we dey discuss the issue of unemployment. Come join the matter we get to do with the immigration recruitment arrangement wey happen for 2015, and the fact say government come and later at some point come talk say the people wey be say they qualify to enter inside this service, make them go house, go sit down first, say they wan chook eye inside the matter, and the eye na dem still dey chook inside the matter till today. Oga Precious, make we no waste time. Oga Aziz Abubakar, make we just go straight to this matter now. Now, the issue when they on ground, we say government don't suspend this exercise. The Oga when they there before, Oga David Paradank, he don't come out.
Chukudi, you know, make we quickly collect this call from Abuja. Good morning. Oh, good morning. Who they call us?
Oga Shukudi, good morning.
Oga
Igo from Abuja.
Oga Igo, we dey greet you.
Oga Okubi, I greet you.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
I greet all of you now.
Yeah.
This issue of unemployment on agree on today now very strong topic because I don't see for Nigeria say rich are getting richer while the poor they die. The rich people not they look for work, they connect them. While the poor people they look for work and they disconnect them. If you look to the other problem for Nigeria, you go see say many companies, government companies, federal companies say they want to run for Nigeria, they don't die. I will give example. We get 2 steel company in Nigeria. We have the Delta Steel Company and the Ajakuta one. As soon as you they talk now, the company don't close it for over 2 years. Those companies say if they run, they can each of them will employ more than 30,000 youth who go work for inside. For the past 2 years, those companies know they work for inside this Nigeria and they talk of unemployment. I don't see say now say even our leaders not get us in heart at all. I say no only them. They think of only themselves to enrich their pocket. They talk of the masses. So make the president, make those boys they on authority, make they find solution. Not the one that will come to chair for 5,000 they give us. Say people ain't never employment they 5,000. No, make they create job. The ones where the company don't collapse, make they rise them again. Employ people to reduce the problem of unemployment.
Okay, thank you very much, Ogaigo, for that contribution. Now, here with Ogaigo talk, and he also raised them one thing which is very, very important with this administration that also promised. And under this administration, during their campaign, they promised, look, 5,000, they pay unemployed youth 5,000 every month. And then if you go look the amount, look how much you could give every year. You like say the money they overwhelming, and then that kind of money, at least if they can do it in, start up something you go fit, give those same people at least that ginger, that resources to say, okay, make a man hustle for myself. Okay, I want to relate, going by, make I hear from Precious. Okay, this solution now, this solution our government they profile. Say if it's now be the way out of at least reducing unemployment, or what it is say be the right approach is supposed to take to ensure at least to a particular minimum or level, make they will fit cut down the issue of unemployment.
Well, to me, no be by, don't just give a man fish, teach him how to fish.
How to fish.
To me, I feel say, make them make enabling environment. Give youth access to loan facilities so they can. Also, things like electricity, gas,
all those resources,
things like internet infrastructure. The kind of internet they get, if you subscribe to some kind of network, you feel spend so tens of thousands of naira yet you know go fit get better internet, you go fit run your services and all these things. It cost a lot of losses too for businesses. Even things like road. If you want go meeting now, might say you dey mainland now, you get one client for island now, you won't go from island to mainland. This morning a bike I fly so that I go fit meet up with time. You get all those things too. They take money. You get also we fit set up incubators. You know, you get some kind big incubators like Rocket Internet Day. You know, so many of them dey for so many countries. We fit set up these incubators, make it they incubate some of these ideas. Many youths dey with ideas. You get so many. As I dey here, if I get so many ideas too. But now the thing be say the finance too to carry all this things.
Oga Aziz Abubakar, make we just close the matter on top of this discussion for here now with this question. We don't look the implication of say unemployment. People no get work. Now they talk say they result in insurgency, armed robbery, and so many vices within our society. Now we don't get this situation when we say government they try give people work, make it be say we they reduce the kind of vices we get for our society. But this one can't enter inside the situation now. On behalf of this Nigerian immigration 2000. People when we say they talk say the way when this thing done dey now, they house, they don't get anything when they do. Which appeal now they appeal to our Oga Presido or the government when they in power today?
Thank you, my Oga Shukudi. My home first appeal now like say those ways see like say na normal level for them to misinform the ruling authorities about the way recruitment take go, make them think twice. No be because of today, not because of tomorrow. Because we too go grow, we go occupy somewhere in the future. So if we occupy those kind of which kind levels they put down for us? Imagine how you go train somebody to carry firearm, different kind of firearm, ranging from G3 to AR-70 to AK-47.
You don't they call it, no call it, no call the name.
No, it's the same they born me.
No, but no call the name. Because,
so you carry all those things for months, and them tell you go back house. If they go use those things work for bank, or if they go use and work for your 12.
So Oga Azeez now, wetin make government do for this matter now?
Make government look to this thing critically. This now one of the freest
Exercise
ever
we don't see ever for Nigeria. So if you go put this thing under carpet, I'm telling you, the youth, we don't kill their morale.
Oga Azeez, we go thank una say, even though this invitation come at short notice, because we talk say unemployment na very serious issue we go discuss. The invitation come at short notice, una still honor our invitation. But we go assure una say, this matter no be something when we say we go live for here. We go still discuss this issue because as young people, when we say this matter, they pinch us well for our body, we go discuss this matter. So what we go do now be say, before we go just collect last words from una so that we go just come wrap up, come continue to the go. Oga Precious.
Okay, the thing be say, as Oga Azeez rightly talk, you no fit give people combat mentality. Tell them say me they sit down for house. You no go use and go farm or sell orange. You understand? Abeg, make you call us back. Now wetin we want. Nigeria get more than 1,497 unmanned entries into the country. The thing they leak well. And we talk say we need people to seal these borders. And you get 2,000 people where they ready and you keep them for house. Waiting with they talk. We
Oga
put down on one.
Also, no, Oga Precious, we go continue this talk.
Okay.
We will continue this talk on another time. And I want to assure una say we go get those when we say they concern for the other party. Make we discuss this matter well.
Okay.
Our people when they for house.
Our hashtag.
Yes, our hashtag day for Facebook and for Twitter. Just use hashtag Nigeria Immigration 2000. You go fit see pictures, you go fit see stories on. So all these things wey they talk, you go fit see the real life stories.
Okay.
So, hashtag Nigeria Immigration 2000. Our people when they for house, they talk and say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Until we come back again tomorrow with another important issue when they come out smoke. Una bye. Oga Azeez, thank you very much.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.